Hello! Inside this video, what we will do is we will learn about conditions. What does this mean? Right now, you see when we are on home or when we are on setting, both give us the same page. But can we put a condition saying if we are on home, then display maybe a white screen, and if we are on settings, then display this screen? How will you do it? You can try if you think you can find the way to do it. Otherwise, I will show you right now how to do this. There is multiple way of doing it, but we will try to find the most easiest way to do it. Let's try. First thing first, you see we have the row, okay? I will go a little bit up. We have the body. The body have a center, and the center have a container. What we can do is, we can say, if I go before, I will say, do you remember what drive which one we use? It is a variable called current index. Good? So we will go just before container. We will put the current index. So and now it's where we will put the condition. If the current index equal to 0. If it's the case, then put container. Okay, this is what it means. Current index equals 0, and you need to put 2 equal. If you put only 1, then this is just setting the variable, setting current index is now equal to this. But if you put 2 equal, this means if this is equal to 0, it's a condition that we create, then put the container. Otherwise, if we go at the end of the container, you can click on the bracket and you will see where it ends. You see right there, it ends right here. And you can put the column, and this is the condition. So if, I will go back, if this is true, then put the container. Otherwise, after the column, otherwise, then put maybe something empty, and something empty will be a sized box. Sized box. We have already learned about this one. And this is asking to put a const. So we put a const before. I will format document. You know how to do this. And now, if we restart the app, is it working? I will restart again the app. Oh yeah, it's perfect. It's just because if we are on the first one, it will display the container. Otherwise, it will display nothing. So we have 2 screens right now. And we have created a condition. This was the goal of this video. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. In the next video, we will continue to work about the basics of Flutter. See you in the next one. Bye.